Okay, so this is the camera. I got it just yesterday. When I'm inserting the battery and pressing the power button, it won't turn on. I will press it again. The camera only turn off when I'm inserting the charge cable. And then I get the sign of full battery charge. When I unplug the cable, the camera will turn off again and won't turn on.